Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the RoBuilder YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a very popular request with a little twist. So, ever since the start of my channel, people have asked me to build a map in 1 minute, in 10 minutes, and in 1 hour. And then any variation of that. 1 hour, 12 hours, 1 day, stuff like that. But we're doing the 1 minute, 10 minutes, and 1 hour today. And we're not going to build a map. We're going to try to build a pet. I'm horrible at pets. So I have a timer set on Google. I'm going to go ahead and start that right now. And it should make a noise when it's up. So we're going to start that. There we go. Click on the cube. Go into edit mode. Control B for bevel. We're going to get a very slight bevel on. Just like that. Now we're going to grab a cube. Why not? Scale that down. Drag it up. I think we're going to just go for like a cat at the beginning here. So let me go ahead and do SY. Scale these in. And then we can grab our line select mode, grab this guy and this guy, Alt-M at center. There we go, kind of like a little cat ear here. L to grab this, we'll move it forward. And let's go to our front view. I don't have a whole number pad now, so that's kind of tough. Gonna put this right over here. And then I'm gonna rotate it a little bit. Let's just go to like that little mark there. And then do the same to the other one, to like this mark here, I guess. So there we go. Now we can grab these front faces right here and right here. Press I to inset and E to extrude them backwards. This can be the cat ears. There we go. All right, okay. So in 1 minute, let me stop this. All right, in 1 minute, we made like the basis of a cat. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna grab this guy and kind of just move it over here. Now we have a 10 minute that we get to do. So let me go ahead and set the timer for 10 minutes. There we go. And this one, I probably won't record the whole process, but I will be back when it starts beeping. And I think we should just no, we can't do a cat the whole time because like building a cat in an hour, like, dang. I feel like we kind of have to do a cat the whole time now though, because, oh yikes, what am I gonna do? We're gonna figure out, guys. Let's go. 10-minute timer starting right now. Start out with the cube. Same old, same old. We're going to bevel this a little bit, something like this. I think I will go ahead and do the cat as well once again, but I do have more time this time, so I think we'll be on a little bit better of a page. Now, cats do have the pointy ears, so there's no point on rounding those off at all. Let's grab this, our line select mode right here. Alt-M, and I want to do at cursor. Nope. I'm going to scale them in like this time. There will be a little gap at the top, but they won't get thin in the middle. So I think that should make it look a lot better. We're going to inset this. Okay, so that's not working. I literally wasted so much time. We're going at center once again because that's what works, and I know it works. And I get sketched when we don't have a lot of time. So we're going to extrude this back just a little bit. Have the same kind of ears we had last time, but we can move this one over. Let's go something around right here, and then duplicate it. Put one over here as well, like that. And let's see, what else can we add to the cat? We can definitely add some sort of a tail. So let me go ahead and do that. Shift a cylinder. There we go. And this doesn't need to be this many sides. We're going to go 8 sides. Whoa, not 89. Yikes. We're going to go 8 sides. Flip that 90 degrees, just like that. Scale it down because, bro, it don't need to be that big. Scale it down even more. Nice. And I'm horrible with this spin tool, guys, but I think I need to learn it. So spin tool, here we go. We need the y-axis, I believe. No, z-axis. Of course not. X-axis. Yes. So here's the spin tool. And then there was one other thing that we were supposed to do with it that I completely forgot. Okay, there it is. Okay, so we got this. Now we can go our center. Oh wait, what is this one? I've never used the spin tool like good, guys. I'm horrible. Okay, this will work. That's good. Let's Control Z that, and then we'll grab the new face. And how do I spin it the other way, bro? There used to be like, okay, that we're getting on somewhere. All right, this is really bad. I'm horrible with the spin tool. I'm just gonna I'm taking it off. I'm gonna have to fix this up now. This is bad. Yikes. Okay, so scale this. Oh no. Proportional editing, scale. It doesn't need to be that big, so we just want to scale this down. Oh no, guys. I really messed up here. I don't know. Oh no. Move that out a little bit, I suppose. This is real bad. I still have 6 minutes left, so I think the best thing to do is delete the tail, and then start over with it. And I don't know how I'm about to spend 1 hour building a cat. That's going to be quite interesting, to say the least. But it's all good. I'm going to grab my face select right here. And I'm just gonna turn this way. I'm gonna rotate, extrude, rotate, extrude. See, why learn a new tool if what you know works perfect already? You know, there's just no point. Now I'm gonna scale these down. Of course, a tail isn't like a twig at the end, so I'm not gonna scale them down too much, but I just want to give it a little bit of that shape. And this may even be a little too long for a cattail, so that's also something that I probably should have looked at. I'm gonna turn on proportional editing though, and grab it, move it kind of this way. Let me grab a little more of this so we can kind of bend the tail out a little bit. Something like that looks a lot better to me. And what do we want to do? What else can we do for this cat? I guess we could add eyes. Oh, that's probably going to look absolutely horrible, but I feel like I got to go for it. So we're going to go with a cube, scale it down. Yikes. I don't even know how to start eyes. I have no reference images with me right now, so I'm just kind of winging it to the maximum extent. All right, so I'm imagining 2 loop cuts here, 1 loop cut here. That should work. Now we're gonna grab these lines, Alt M. No, we probably can't do that. So bottom line up a little bit, top line down a lot. Okay, something like that. I think that looks pretty good. And down a little bit, up a little bit. Something, I guess that, I guess that kind of works. Now I'm gonna go press A, S. There we go. Scale this and get it over to where it needs to go. All right, something like that. I'll scale it up. Shift D, R 180. Get it turned. Put this one over here. I guess kind of ish. Looks like eyes. Not really. We can use our knife tool, and we will cut out like the cat eye. Something like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to get the job done. There we go. Now we'll do the same over here. I'm not an artist, so this is probably not going to be too great. There we go. Now we're going to grab our face select mode. Boom and boom, boom and boom. Extrude these just a little bit. Something like that. And we'll get them colored. I will be doing all the texturing afterwards. So yeah. All right, there's the cat eyes. Not looking great at all, but we can add whiskers. So let me get a mesh cylinder, R90, bring it out, scale this in, S and X, because they need to be longer. Scale it in again, S and X, something like that, I guess, a little shorter. Then we'll do R, bring this to the side, Shift D, R to make one flat, something like that, Shift D, and R to rotate it back towards this way. Now I'm going to grab all of these, Shift D, R 180, and move them over here. Okay, we have oh gosh, this is a terrifying cat if I'm not lying. Let's go ahead and Shift A, another cylinder. We could scale this up a hair, and then grab this face, scale it down. So we got, oh yikes, dude, this is an ugly cat, real ugly cat. Like, if anyone was experienced at making pets, they could have made this in like 2 seconds, but I'm so bad at making pets. For the hour one, I'm gonna get some sort of a reference photo, guys, I'm not lying. Front face, boom, boom. Oh my gosh, it looks like a cat that is also a plane. Yeah, this isn't my greatest creation here. SY, get that real like scaled in and then move it out. Maybe that'll help. Get it more centered as well. I think, oh no. We can add the feet. So let me just duplicate this, scale it down, of course. There we go. Bring it up. I'm definitely getting a reference for the last one, guys. This looks absolutely horrible. Absolutely horrible. And then I'll grab this bottom face. Hopefully we have enough time. O for proportional editing. Scale that in. Make something like that. That looks good. Shift D. Bring it over here. Grab them both. Shift D. And bring them to the back. All right. It looks... okay. It has a tail. So that's cool. I have 9 seconds left. I don't think there's really much I could do in the 9 seconds. So this is our cat. In fact, let me grab these faces here and move them back. All right, there it is. The 10 minutes okay, I just stuttered so bad. I've officially made a cat. I'm not gonna lie. The one I made in 1 minute, I'm more proud of, because this is scary, dude. I am gonna go ahead, move both of these to the side, and I'm gonna look up a reference real quick. I would imagine we're gonna have to do some sort of swagged out cat, because I'm gonna have a whole hour. So like a cat with a fursona, dare I say. All right, let me look up some references. All right, guys, here's the dealio. Since I have a whole hour, I'm gonna try something I've never tried before and go for one of the, like the Adopt Me type cats or the Adopt Me type pets where it has like an actual body and it's not just a cube. So yeah, I have a whole hour. I'm probably gonna, I don't know. I'm just gonna try it. Let me start the 1 hour timer. Boom. 1 hour timer. All right, guys, the timer has been started. Now, for this one, there will be a lot of cuts simply because, hey, bro, this is a whole hour and no one's gonna want to watch that long of a video. But I think I'm gonna start with this and do like some sort of, let me see, a vertices select, grab the top here, a lot of proportional editing, G, and try to like get the rough shape of it. And I don't know, I'll see you guys closer to when this hour mark's over. Guys, my blender is not responding. Oh no. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna lie. This is my first time trying to build an Adopt Me pet, and it looks really, really bad. And I'm also half an hour down. Yes, this took me half an hour. I'm not the most proud of it, but I just kept changing things, and now I'm not even sure where I'm going. It looks like a weird sheep. I don't know, but I'm hoping it'll flip around and look a lot cooler at the end. All right, guys, we're at 50 seconds left, and I'm beyond disappointed in myself, to say the least. Now, I've never made anything like this at all, so I'm not like overly sad, but it's like, dang, bro, I'm really bad at Adopt Me style pets. In fact, I'm pretty bad at every style of pets, but you know, I was just hoping, you know, I'd be all right. Turns out I'm not, so that kind of sucks. But hey, we got our little cat. Okay, I'm just texturing it up now. Gonna grab a pink for the nose. It'll be all good. Boom, image texture, and right here. How long do we got? We have 6 seconds. Let me see if I can get these whiskers black. G, boom. Ah, there it goes. Okay, so guys, it's scuffed to all the everything. So I was thinking, oh yeah, I could try to actually texture it kind of like a cat. It's scuffed. It's scuffed to, look, first off, okay. All right, real quick, let's go ahead and let's start shaming. All right, so let's join this together, and we're gonna go ahead and put it together with everything else. All right, guys, so I mean, listen, it's not the worst model ever created, all right, but it's definitely not the best. So let me texture these two just so you have like a comparison. All right, guys, so I just textured all of them, and here's what we got. All right, we have 1 minute, 10 minutes, which and an hour. Oh god, I'm gonna get so crapped on in the comments. So guys, I'm much looking forward to doing this with maps, because that's where my expertise is. In fact, I suck at pets, so I don't know why I did this in the first place. But here we go, guys. 1 minute, 10 minutes, and 1 hour. I thought I was gonna be able to get a lot more done in an hour, but I kept getting like weird glitches and stuff, and it's scuffed. The eyes don't even look centered. Oh, I can't even work on it because the time's up, but alright guys, that is gonna wrap up today's video. If you did enjoy and you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.